My book is entitled Theories of Legal Relationships. It is an examination of existing legal systems regarding the notion of legal relationship. I use various analytical approaches to legal theory, including subjectivist, objectivist, psychological, and empirical. I argue for the logical anteriority of relations in law and their universality even in the new Chinese Civil Code, for example. From this main idea, I address new questions such as the possibility of legal relations with natural or even artificial entities. I consider the consequences of these potential relationships in terms of legal theory, legal reasoning, and the theory of justice. Chapters deal with legal relationships in legal systems around the world, including the intention to create a legal relationship in the UK, declaratory judgments in the US, the courtesy relationship in Germany, and the commercial relationship in France. This investigation of legal relationships involves the concept of relational autonomy, the idea that a person is paradoxically autonomous only insofar as he or she maintains a balanced legal relationship with other parties. My book takes into account the feminist and empirical approach of authors like Jennifer Nedelsky in Canada and the neo-Kantian approach of authors like Alexander Somek in Austria. It could be of interest to lawyers as well as to interdisciplinary researchers working on the legal philosophy, society, and culture of law.